Hi guys, I'm Anup from TwinsAI, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect with your Close CRM and integrate your contacts from there to our TwinsAI applications and start auto dialing your prospects. So first of all, let's go to your profile and then on settings. Once you go there, go to your integrations tab, and when you scroll a little bit down, you're able to see Close. Click on connect Close. Make sure that you're connected to your Close account on the same web browser, and once you allow it, you should be able to fetch your contacts. So click on the refresh icon, which is for your syncing with your CRM. Once you have connected, then you can see the list which you have created already in your Close CRM. So for now, if I click on the CEO list, I'm able to see all the contacts which are on my list in Close CRM. Once you choose your assistant, you are able to start dialing. Thanks. Have a good one.